Imagine waking up to a lakeside sunrise every morning. Sounds dreamy, right? But here's the kicker. That dream could cost you thousands in hidden fees if you're not careful. Let me tell you, as a realtor who's helped folks buy and sell waterfront homes, it's not all Instagram worthy sunsets and spontaneous kayak sessions. I'll never forget the couple who bought a gorgeous cottage on Lake Huron last summer. They were thrilled until their first spring thaw hit. Turns out the previous owner hadn't mentioned the annual erosion control cost. Suddenly, their low maintenance retreat needed a $15,000 retaining wall. Ouch. Now, don't get me wrong, owning a slice of lakeside paradise is incredible. I've seen clients host sunset BBQs that'd make your Instagram feed jealous, or flip properties for double their investment in just 5 years. Waterfront homes do appreciate like crazy, especially in hotspots like Muskoka or Vancouver Island. And hey, there's nothing like having your morning coffee with a loon serenade. But here's the thing, those picture perfect mornings come with some, let's call them character building challenges. Insurance? Oh, yeah, it's pricier. Think 20 to 30% higher than your average suburban home. Maintenance? One client joked, her dock repairs felt like a subscription service. $10 a month for Netflix, 500 for algae removal, and don't even get me started on zoning laws. I once spent 3 hours explaining why you can't build a floating tiki bar in a protected wetland. Turns out, moose don't care for pina coladas. Oh, and that peaceful lakeside vibe? It's seasonal. Summer weekends mean boats, tourists, and enough noise to make you miss city traffic. One client's quiet retreat became the unofficial party spot for kayaking teens. Pro tip, invest in good fences or a really loud sprinkler system. Still tempted? Here's my advice, crunch the numbers. Twice. Factor in flood insurance, septic system upgrades, and whether you're okay with scrubbing goose droppings off your deck every spring. And for heaven's sake, get a specialist home inspector. That charming vintage cabin might actually be two termites away from becoming driftwood. At the end of the day, waterfront living's like dating a supermodel, glamorous but high maintenance. So tell me, would you trade convenience for those golden hour views? If you want to read more about this topic, check out the link in the description below. And hey, like and subscribe, or I might have to trade my suit for a fishing wader next week. Help a realtor out.